Hi, it's Online Grandpa. Let me ask you a quick question. Why are you on social media as a business owner? Why? And let me ask you another question, which we're going to give an answer to now. Why do you think people are on social media? Now, if you can answer these two questions correctly and you work with them, you're going to get the best out of sales and brand visibility. Now, let's dig in. As a business owner, the answer to the first question, which is why you're on social media, is definitely because you want more brand visibility. You want people to know about your products and services. You want more sales. You want more client patronage and all that. And it's easy to answer. You just be like, oh, I want this and I want this and I want this. And at the end of the day, what you want is more people to know about you and more profit and sales. So the second question, which is very important, is why do you think people are on social media? Because you, as a business owner, you're coming to the social media to meet with people, and you need to understand why they are there before you can interact with them. So, why do you think people are on social media? Now, let me tell you something. When you see people on social media, they are there for three things. It is either they're there for entertainment, information, or education. Most times people are there for entertainment, and then they get to see an information, and then they get to see education and all that. So now, as a business owner, you need to be able to fit in into one, two, or the three of what I just mentioned now: entertainment, information, and education. Now, as long as you can create the right marketing content, marketing strategy, and content strategy for your visibility on social media, you will be able to meet up with people. So you need to know how to entertain people with your posts, educate people with your posts, and inform them. As long as you can pick, so you can decide to pick one of this and make it a pillar, and then you do the other depending on what your business is all about. But you need to understand that that is why people are there. You need to be able to play into their fantasy and show them what they want to see. The first step about getting the right marketing strategy and content strategy is actually knowing who your customers are and knowing what they are doing on social media. You need to be able to get the exact attraction that brings them to social media. Now you're going to capitalize on that. So as soon as you can capitalize on that, then you can actually draw them to your page, draw them to see your content, and draw them to always come in to also see what you can do. And now one more thing that you need to do, apart from the fact that you know what they want, is creating the right content, quality content, beautiful content, professionally done content, video designs, graphic designs, and everything that will make your content look better, because there's a lot of competition. People's attention span is getting lower, so they will only subscribe to what draws their attention. So you need to be able to draw the right people with the right content. I can do that for you. I can design a beautiful design for videos and for graphic designs. So all you just need to do is send a DM or click the link below and let me know what you want, and we'll be able to get you something beautiful. And now you need to understand that, know what they want and give them quality designs and video designs. I am Oluwabami Shalake, the Online Grandpa. Don't forget to like and share this video.